12 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Mizoram Patni have interview on 4 different months. January, March, April, and June on 3 different dates on that month. 14th, 15th, and 22nd, but not in order. That is, in each month, 3 persons have interview. Oh, at siyang tiro kakadzo. Kay hizo table kan draw do na kan minpek how kanita kan table kan draw siya anga. Chuan F has an interview on 14th April. At siyang hal tiro 14th April la F. Kan siyang hal nga. The number of persons who have interview between F and D is same as the number of persons who have an interview between F and B. F and D is equal to F and B. Chuan ito po hang kanjak thei thawa. F ka akomona tiro F ma le F nung kan don ta ni khoi jok nge mas jok chu kan shilawa D or B tipo han hin khu chu kanjak thei thawa. Chuan L has an interview before G but after C. L has an interview before G but after C. CLG ang gina-inrem doon mase. Hey, akar za te hizu kan she chuang lawanya o C om masabera nga dota L dota G. L le G inkar le C le L inkar a in angkher atilava engma po om law theya mo CLG kha in dota ni ve top mai. Chuan D has an interview before B but not on January, and B's interview is not in April month. Iti kanjang D has an interview before B tiro. D has an interview before B. Ani chuan he kan she thei tiro D has an interview before B ni chuan. Hilai kan lo zia lo ka hi tahian B D omanga tahian B omang D F B chuan hemi hi ain equal don. Oh, chuan D D has an interview before B but not in January. D hi January a omlavanga not D, and B's interview is not in April. B's interview is not in April. Draw. Chuan next ka lang K has an interview on odd day of any of that given month. Next one, odd days can make it so odd day can make it 15. So when you K 15 na need one. One person has an interview between D and K. D and D le K inkara mi pakhat. Chuan G has an interview on an even day of any of that month but after F. F zoa G nga chuan G hi even days teatro even days to 14 or 22. The number of persons who have interviewed between C and G is same as the number of persons who have interviewed between C and I. C and G is equal to C and I. I has an interview before both C and G. I has an interview before both C and G ni chuan I hi masabiranga tiro I and masabiranga chuan C komuna alaya C ganda anga G tihan omdona chuan hi in equal to tho khanita a I C inkar le C G inkar in equal ang chuan C has an interview month which has 30 days. C will be 30 days to engtengele January 31, March 31, April 30, diro. June po 30 niya. C will be April or June. Next ha. J has an interview on one of the days before E. J, E, ma umdona. E's interview did not held on any of the odd days. E odd days ha omlova 14 or 22 vethawa omdona. The number of persons who have an interview between E and A between E and A is same as the number of persons who have an interview between I and H. E le A is equal to I and H. Le eng tihan point kan jak zova engi chungi kan chunang. F chok kan nei dro F chok kan nei ya. Option A kan A na hi chiang deuh berin ka sha D hi masa zok ngei anga chuan D hi January a omlovanga tiro D om theya D om theya D om theya tan B om theya B om theya B om theya chuan tan B kan da thei lo sorry tan B hetan B ekhoya hian nge kan da ang so sin tele D le F le B in car in ang C in hemi January a D om thei lova April a B om thei lova heta hian D da tai la tiro F le D in heta hian B om angai adik thei lo tiro hei hi chu mun thum kha kan neya tuna mun hi cha kan nei to D da tai la tan B da ngai a thei chuang lova chuan a chung bera chau hian kan da thei ta ni March a hian D kan da theya 1 2 B chuan hei chu kan zo le ta der mai next ai nge kan manang D F B kan neya ipo hingai to lang eta D le K in kara pakhat a omatia chuan K hi 15 a tiro D le K in kara pakhat an oma K 15 a D le K in kara pakhat a oma K 15 a khoi zong e kan thanang D le K in kar om K 15 chu hei zo khi ni mai lo mi chuan kan zo le a enge kan la khom le ang le ICG chuan C hi April or June tia C hnuaia L le G om don boka C hnuaia hian L le G ngei in omangaya enzat gap nge chu kan shelava tiro chuan heta hian C hi April or June tia ta hian C da tai la hnuai pakhat cha om theya L le G an link to lova tan C da tai la hnuai engma nei lo le ngala he pe chu thei lo C hi June a om don lo ti na ni chu chuan C hi April a kan da ngai ta ni C hi khoi mani zok zok a kan da nga ya ta hian C lo da ta ila L le G hi a hnuai pahnian omangai dro chuan ta hian C lo da ta ila L le G chu ti hian arim chang mai ta ni chuan khoi ange G hi 14 or 22 te adik thapa mo chuan heta han possibility pakhat kan la neya C ta hian C lo da taila tan B chu fixa tiro G hi fixa boka L hi khoi mani zok zok a han omangaya F fixa nya D kan fix boka hi chu hei hanzia bel mai kha har sa lo mo table kha hanzia bel mai taila chuan C L G I is equal to C is equal to G kan mang le ang I equal to C equal to G hi C le G in kara patni an oma C le I inkara pahnih kan dah viang heta han I kan dah ngai tro chuan second na hi chuan C le G inkara 1 2 3 oma C le I inkara 1 2 3 heta han I kan dah ngai ta ni ma se D lo to sia chuwangin C heta kan dah kha chu arem chang talawa kan zia bela kha zia talawa chuan CLG te I te kan fixa hi kan hmang to CLG po kan hmang to C April June po kan hmang to F noya G oma G 14 22 kan hmang to enge kan la ni ile J chunga E oma E kha 14 or 22 nya 14 or 22 14 or 22 ma se E chu chunga J oma ngai se tro chuan he chu 15 ani de E om theilawa heta che han E kan da theya chuan a chunga J kan da nga danga chuan E le A inkar le I le H inkar in ang chu che chu point kan nei to E le A inkar le I le H inkar in ang ti han ni melo mi tro E le A I le H aba ka chuan kan da theilo in ang tur chuan mo chuan ti khang kan chok zo le a question o mem question om lo chuan kan chang who among the following have an interview on the same date J and K to 14 15 diglava L F 14 15 thau H and L 15 v H and L draw option C. Number 12, how many persons have interviewed between D and H? D le H in kara in zan omde. He appeasong in the run omde mo. D zo D March ni som palitro. Chuan March ni som panga March ni som ni pakhat April ni som palitro. D le H in kara chuan 3 persons anom don Option B. Find the odd one out. B, K, A, H, L. B khani mai. Siang, kisha. Option A. If F is related to D in the same way as L is related to H, F is related to D, L is related to H, I is related to E ni mayem. E, option D. One, which of the following combination is true? B 15 January, diglaw. F April 22nd, diglaw. A March 14, diglaw. H April 15th, adiktsya. Option D.